everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another section of my LUSH collection, and that is my shower gels. Now when I say I have a lot of LUSH shower gels, like I have a lot of LUSH shower gels, and I have far too many LUSH shower gels, and I probably shouldn't have this many shower gels. However, I bought this many shower gels, so I thought I would do my LUSH collection shower gel edition because it's the next section in my list to do, and I am going to whiz through these pretty briskly, otherwise we would be here for absolutely ages. So if you want any further details, let me know down below and I'll give you a better description, but I am going to be quite brief because this video would be literally an hour long. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first one I have to hand is the comforter. Now again, I don't need to go through this in many detail because I'm sure you guys know what the comforter smells like. It smells like Ribena and blackcurrant, and it absolutely does not disappoint. Oh, this smells incredible. This smells like old LUSH times. Like, it just reminds me of like LUSH Oxford Street. Obsessed. Next up we have Prince Charming, which comes out for Valentine's Day, and to me this kind of has a very, oh, it's lovely. I believe it's pomegranate scented. It's a beautiful fragrance. It's vanilla, marshmallow and pomegranate juice. So it's a beautiful shower gel. Like I said, it comes out for Valentine's Day, so if you want to grab it, January is probably your time, but it's delicious. Sticking with the pink theme, we have American Cream. Now this lid is broken. I just broke it, but I'm gonna go and put a different lid on it because I have a shower gel in my bathroom of something that I have here and I can't remember what it is, so I'll swap the lids over. But American Cream, it smells like strawberries and vanilla. It smells like the conditioner. It's beautiful. Oh, it's delicious. 10 out of 10. Love that. Next up we have Yummy Mummy, and Yummy Mummy is a Mother's Day shower gel. This one has a very distinctive smell. I believe it's, oh my gosh, it smells literally, it's just bringing back memories. Like, the scent of that is so nice. This one has cocoa butter, orange oil, tonka, so it's very, very sweet. It almost smells like strawberries, but it's not strawberry, if you know what I mean. It's really beautiful, really creamy, and it just smells heavenly. 10 out of 10. Love that so much. Next up we have a classic, and that is Twilight. Twilight is one of my favourite scents. It's vanilla and lavender and it's so delicious. I can't even tell you, which is why I have 2 bottles of Twilight, because I'm a little bit obsessed and I'm a hoarder, so I have a problem, I know. Speaking of having a bit of an obsession, my next shower gel is Plum Rain. This one is like my ride or die. I love this so much, like it's one of my faves. So because of that, I have this size, I have this size, and I have this size. I'm obsessed, I'm very well aware. This smells like fresh plum. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's delicious. 10 out of 10. Obsessed. I just realised I have 2 American Cream shower gel, so where did that come from? I don't know. Next up we have the Rose Jam shower gel. I have a 500 gram and a 100 gram bottle, which is where they look so super different, but this smells unbelievable. It's a really beautiful sweet rose. It's delicious. Honestly, this came out for Christmas a few years ago. I think it was like back in 2014 or something, and I've been obsessed ever since. So I have 2 bottles of that, and I love it so much, so can't go wrong with Rose Jam. We're not even halfway through, like this is madness. Next up was a Christmas one, and this is the Santa's Christmas Shower Cream. Beautiful in colour. Let me have a smell because I can't remember. Oh, this smells like Coca-Cola. That is delicious. Also, look at the thickness of this shower gel. I'ma just pop that back in. That smells heavenly. Oh my goodness. LUSH, if you ever watch this video, please bring that back out because that is divine. So good. Next up we have Hot Toddy. Now this sounds gross, but this one is from 2014. Like, this is old, but it literally smells exactly the same. So when people tell you that LUSH shower gels go out of date, I think they're lying because this smells perfect. Hot Toddy is very spicy, very warming, very Christmassy, and yeah, love it. Love it so much. It's so nice. Sticking with the Christmas theme, we have Punch or Ponche. This smells like orange. It's not my favourite shower gel, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's got a very like cleaning producty smell to it. It's not the best orange scent, but I bought this ages ago and I really like it, but it's just not my favourite, so got that one. I told you when I had a lot of shower gel, I wasn't lying, guys. Like, this is ridiculous. And this one has a leakage. I'm sticky now. Next up we have a bubbly shower gel. Now this is more of the orange scents that I like. Like, this is a fresh, like freshly squeezed Bucks Fizz kind of orange scent. Obsessed with it. Honestly, gonna have to give it a smell because I can't not. Oh, it smells like Golden Wonder. So if you know what Golden Wonder smells like, you know what this smells like. It's delicious. Again, another Christmas one. This is the Cinders shower gel. Now, I've actually not smelt this in a very long time. Oh my god, that just spilt everywhere. Oh no. Just gonna wipe that there. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. It has a slight marzipan scent to it, but I absolutely love Cinders. It's such a classic Christmas scent, so 10 out of 10. Really glad I bought that, although now I'm covered in shower gel, like I'm actually sticky. It's really disgusting. The next shower gel is one from the Lush Kitchen, and this is the Uluru shower gel. It says, escape for a moment in sunset painted lemon lathers, allow them to cloak you in their dusty sandalwood embrace. So is it lemon and sandalwood? I'm gonna assume. It doesn't really smell like much. Like, it's really light in fragrance. Hang on, no, I've smelled that before. What is that? That's definitely something we've had before. That's actually quite nice. It's very subtle lemon because it has lemon in it, obviously. But yeah, delicious. Love that. Next up was an Easter release, and this is the Wash Behind Your Ears. Now, as you can tell, a lot of these I did buy from Lush when I worked there, hence why I bought the big ones. I do have a few smaller ones, which obviously I bought when I left because it was just getting quite expensive. This one's just really fresh. It's like, I don't know, it's quite earthy. Like, it's a really earthy, fresh scent. Not my fave, but I bought it because I'm a hoarder and I'm obsessed, obviously. The next one was sadly discontinued quite a while ago, and it is one of my ultimate fave shower gels just ever, and I'm so sad they got rid of it, and that is the Beautiful shower gel. Now this one has, let me just check, peach juice, gardenia extract, apricot. Like, it's so delicious. Oh, it's just a lovely mature fragrance. Like, I can't even describe it. It's like fresh juice, like a fruit punchy kind of smell. So good. So good. Next up is Snow Cake. This was a special release from the kitchen as well. This obviously smells like the Snow Cake soap, which is a really beautiful kind of marzipan scent. It's such a classic, like, Lush scent, and I cannot praise this enough, but it's definitely more of a Christmas scent in my opinion than like an all year round one. But yeah, I love that. What's it got inside? I don't even know. Rose Absolute? Doesn't smell like rose. Smells like marzipan. So good. Next up is the Oatly Creamy Dreamy. Absolutely love this. It's a really beautiful shower gel to shave with. It's just so thick. Like, it reminds me of the, what was that? Like, was it, what was it called? The shower smoothie that they did? The Dream Wash, was it called? It's like the exact same product, just in a bottle, which I kind of preferred it in a pot, I'm not gonna lie, but smells delicious. I love that. Next up is a favourite for so many people, and honestly, I completely agree, and that is the Yognog shower gel. It smells like toffee, caramel, biscuits. It's amazing. It's out this year for Christmas, so make sure you pick some up. It is unreal, honestly. Probably one of my favourites. Like, it's definitely up there. It's so good. The next shower gel is a Halloween one from last year, and that is Ectoplasm. Now, this is the brightest shower gel I've ever seen. It's super thick, like, that doesn't sound good. It just smells really like, I don't even know how to describe it. It smells kind of like Snow Cake, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's a really marzipan-ish kind of smell. But I love the colour, so, you know, I had to buy one, obviously. The next two, I believe, are all year round products, and that is Dirty Spring Wash and Happy Hippie. Dirty Spring Wash is a very minty shower gel. I bought this actually when I left back in 2017, so haven't used it. And this one is a very kind of like lemony, fresh, fruity kind of scent. Love them both. I bought both bottles because I wanted to try them. The bottles actually are both different sizes. I don't know if you can see, like, this one's more chunky and this one's more tall, but love them both. Really fresh. Forgot I had them. Not gonna lie. Next up is the Nana shower gel. This one came out last Christmas, I think it was, and it smells like banana. So good. It smells like the Let the Good Times Roll facial cleanser. It's so delicious. I only bought a small one just because it was like £6 and I just didn't want to spend like £25 on a giant shower gel, so I got the little one. I love that. So delish. Next up was a Christmas shower gel from last year again, and that is the Happy shower gel. This one, I can't actually remember what it smells like. It's like, what is that scent? I have smelt that before. Is it Miranda soap? Oh my god, I think it is. I think it's Miranda. Let me know if you've had this one. Low-key kind of smells like paint at the same time. A little bit strange, but absolutely love it. Beautiful shower gel, although all the glitter is stuck to the bottom. The next one is the Berry Berry Christmas. Again, a Christmas exclusive. This one smells kind of like Plum Rain. Like, it low-key smells like Plum Rain. Is it just Plum Rain? No. It smells a little bit different to Plum Rain, but it kind of has a Plum Rainy undertone to it, if that makes sense. But again, beautiful shower gel with all the glitter stuck to the bottom. Love that as well. Honestly guys, I literally, when I said I have so much shower gel, like I'm not even done. Like I'm not even done. Next up is the avocado wash, and this one I believe smells like avocado co-wash kinda. It smells a bit strange, but it's fresh. It's a shower gel. I will use it. This came out last year and yeah, definitely need to use it. Forgot I had that one as well. Not shocked though, because I forgot I had half of these. The next shower gel is Intergalactic. Firstly, it looks absolutely stunning. Secondly, it smells exactly like the bath bomb, so it's really minty, really fresh. And they released this back when they released all their like bath bomb shower gels, so obsessed with that. Love it. So beautiful. Next one is one of my faves that sadly got discontinued a long while ago, and that is Yuzu and Cocoa. I literally can't bring myself to use this because I just would never be able to buy it again. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh my goodness. It smells like coconut and chocolate and it smells delicious. Honestly, Lush, please, I'm begging you, bring this back. I will buy all of it, I promise. I just need some more because it's so good. The next one I bought very recently, and that is the Very Very Frightening Shower Gel. This came out for Halloween this year. It's got a very gelatinous texture. It smells like Space Girl bath bomb. Wish I bought a large one, but I didn't, so I'm really upset about that. But it smells delish. So good, honestly. And last but by no means least is the Lord of Misrule Shower Gel. My absolute ride or die, apart from Plum Rain. This shower gel is just amazing. Like, I love it so much. Smells like the bath bomb. It's bright green. It's leaking everywhere. What is that? Why is that orange? There is something orange leaking all over me and I don't know where that's come from. But Lord of Misrule smells like patchouli, vanilla, black pepper. It smells delicious. It looks unreal. So 10 out of 10. One of my faves. So that is everything for this video. That is my very, very, very extensive Lush shower gel collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your favourites down below, and if you have any cult classics hidden in your collection, because I would love to know. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. It would absolutely make my day and I would love to have you here. But yes, I need to go and put all of this away now. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.